So the 8th grade science projects are an opportunity for our 8th grade students in the sciences to identify a topic of real interest to them, not necessarily something straight from their curriculum. They're getting an opportunity to create an interesting question and design a research experiment and read background research on the topic and present what they know. 8th grade independent science projects are directly designed to begin to plant the seeds of some of the skills our students are going to use as juniors and seniors in ARP.
My project is about using the least amount of water to grow plants effectively.
And my project is on microfiber pollution.
Reducing seismic impact using base isolation.
Hydroponics and how growing it in water versus a nutrient plant solution will affect their health.
So I'm testing baby teethers for BPA.
Testing CO2 in cars made before 2010 and after 2010.
Throughout the entire year, we spend time learning about earth and environmental science. And this is sort of a culmination of the 8th grade science here in the middle school. Just get to choose a passion and really delve in.
And I was just doing some research and I stumbled upon something called microfiber pollution. I didn't really know anything about it then, but I did some more research and I came up with this project. It's really fun, actually. This is something I knew nothing about, and it was just really intriguing to me, and I've gotten to learn so much about it. Hopefully I'll be able to find something that will help, and I think that's pretty cool.
We had a student working on a hydroponic system and we couldn't get the water to go up the tube. And eventually we get it to work. And she literally said, "This is the happiest I've ever been." And I was like, "Well, I don't know if you really mean that." And she's like, "No, I really do." Like, that's a really cool moment for these kids.
One of the units for science class was plastic pollution in water. And then I found the chemical BPA and like the dangers for it. I would never think baby teethers would leach out BPA, that kind of chemical, and they didn't focus on that. And they even said BPA free. I was shocked when I saw that news report. I was like, whoa.
It's cool to be able to research something that you're actually interested in, not just something you're forced to do.
I love Liggett, and that's one thing that I really liked when I first came to the school. The freedom and the ability to express what you want to do is so wonderful about this school. I didn't think that I was going to be able to choose exactly what I wanted to do. My teacher let me choose whatever I wanted to do, research it, and all she basically did was help me along the way, give me tips to grow and better my research.
I just love it. I love doing it. There are days when I think it feels like complete chaos in this room, and then there are days when we all just come in here and we're working so well together. The teamwork and collaboration is just a joy. I just really enjoy doing it.
It's interesting to see all the array of different things people have come up with, you know. There's stuff on air pollution, earthquake prevention. There's just such a wide range and there's so much to learn from it.
Too often for kids, school is full of things that they're told to do. Study this, study that, learn this, learn that. That's not what's important to kids, that's what's important to adults. And there's a place for that in school. But these projects really turn that on its head.